if I just started packing, baby, wait on my body, 'cause you are the American dream, man. Your love is stronger than your need for unrealistic demands. That's not the end of his good deed. He always smells good like they all should, keeps his clothes folded up in a drawer, comes up behind me, kisses my neck as he starts sweeping the floor, because he is the ultimate clean man. Come on and feast your eyes on this here dying breed, man. Hands in your pockets, 'cause this one's mine. And did I forget to mention that he instinctively knows just where to be? Focusing energies, ladies, if you know what I mean. Shall we raise up our glass? And here's to all my dreams come true in the form